In this tip, we'll see examples for concatenating files column-wise using the paste command. Consider these two input files. Let us see what the paste command does by default. So contents of these two files will be merged vertically, and the default separator is a tab character, and that's the output we get. If you need some other character between these two contents, then we can provide the separator using the -d option. So in this case, we get a comma separator between the contents of these two files. Note that the separator is added even if one of the data has been exhausted. For example, in this case, the pipe character is the delimiter and there are 3 input files. The first and third one is 3 lines each, while the second one has only 2 lines. As you can see in the output, even when the content has been exhausted, the delimiter will be added. So in this case, there's an empty string between these two delimiter characters. If you want to merge contents without any character between them, then you need to provide a empty string as the argument to this -d option. Note that the space character is necessary to separate the option and the argument. You can also use a new line character as the delimiter. This will allow you to interleave the contents of these files. So you get 1 line each from the input files separated by a new line character. The -d option is typically used to insert only a single delimiter character between the contents of the files. If you need a multi-character separation, I would suggest to use the PR command, or you can use some tricks using the paste command also. Consider this 3-character delimiter. So the trick is to provide a empty file. So between these two files, a space character is inserted. Between these two files, a colon character is inserted, and between these two files, another space character is inserted. In this way, we are emulating the insertion of multi-character delimiters. Instead of this, you can also use the PR command. So this is much easier to use compared to the paste command. Hope you enjoyed this tip.